What's going on, everybody? Bones here. It's hot, and I'm gonna make it even hotter. And you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. So today, for some reason, the 18-wheelers didn't get the memo that the bridge is out. It's only been out for the last 2 weeks. Don't understand it, but they didn't get the memo. So, who knows? But anyway, today, we're going to do up some jalapeno, pepper jack, stuffed, bacon wrapped brats. Mouthful, isn't it? But it sure is going to be tasty. We're going to use up some Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and cut a slit in the brat. Go ahead and season it up. Take your jalapenos, a piece of pepper jack, cheese, roll it up, stuff it inside. Now take your bacon, start rolling it up. You're going to need several strips of bacon. And if you want to, hit up the outside too with a little bit of that Uncle Steve's pig powder. I'll go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and we'll get rolling on to putting them on the grill. Well, I got a split top bun here, but veered off course. You think a machine doing it, it would actually go straight down the center. Oh well, can't get good help. Go ahead with a little Coleman's mustard. Like that nice bite that it gives to it. A lot of people will be frowning upon mustard, but the Coleman's mustard has a real big bite to it. Put one of these nice big dogs on it. And we're going to go ahead and put on some of that cherry chipotle barbecue sauce on top. And there we go. Let's go ahead and cut into it real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's go for that taste test. All right, here we go. Nice snap with that bacon. Then you got the heat from the pepper jack and the jalapeno with there. Right to the soul, nice heat. Then you got the barbecue sauce and the Coleman's mustard. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.